Are you looking for a decorative drain or a linear drain for your shower? There's only one place to look. If you're looking for a decorative drain or a linear drain for your shower, QM Drain is the only company that you need to go to. Not only do they have a good, better, best as far as pricing goes, all of their product is made out of 316 stainless steel. All the competitors are made out of 304. So you get an upgrade at a better price point with going with QM. Not only do they have all the decorative drains and linear drains in the fixed sizes, they also have what they call site adjustable. Now, to make this very easy on you, we basically thought about what's the easiest thing in the world to put together? Legos. Even a kid can do it. So they really designed their site adjustable to work just like Legos. You order your site adjustable in the size that you need, a little bit bigger. It comes as a solid piece. Comes with everything you need to actually cut the product and glue the product. Here's the fine print. QM Drains does ship everything you need to install your drain, except for glue, because technically it's a hazardous material. So you cut the product down to size and literally snaps into place, just like Legos. That's how you build your linear drain here. Whatever size you need, wherever the outlet is, you snap it to place like Legos. We put on our end pieces. We're going to put on our leveling legs. And then goes the trim rings. We can order these in any of our finishes. All of our finishes are PVD. PVD is the best way to finish a product. It actually penetrates through into the stainless steel instead of just sitting on top like electroplating or powder coating. All of QM Drain's finishes are PVD. So we put our PVD trim ring, stainless steel 316 trim ring around the edge. So that way we have an adjustable drain and all you see from the top is metal. You see your beautiful finish. You pick your grate, whether it's tile in, where you put your own tile, or a decorative metal grate, we've got you covered. That sits right in there. Now you have your perfectly sized linear drain, all at a great price point for the highest quality product that you can possibly buy. QM Drain is the only place to look for decorative or linear drains.